Hey, we back, man. We are back with the content on the channel, and we got some heat to show you guys these next upcoming videos, man. So stay tuned and let's get right into it. What's going on, YouTube? Thanks for tuning in once again to another video. I've been literally going the entire month, and now is a new month, man. We in April 1st. And it's only right, drop some content for you guys, man. We got a lot in store for this upcoming summer, and I hope you guys enjoy the content that is about to drop, man. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. Hit the notification bell for your boy. It's like I said, it's the first video I recorded in a month, so I gotta get right back into it. I gotta remember what I used to say on the videos, man, you know what I mean? When I'm showing you the sneakers that I picked up over the last month. Please leave a huge like on today's video. Like I said, join the family, subscribe. Head over to Instagram, give your boy a follow at The Real Da Vintage. All links will be down below in the description box. And I got something dope to show you guys in this video, man. All right, guys, like I said, I've been going all of March. I've been going literally all of March. And it's been nothing but heat dropping all month. And just because I've been gone, don't mean your boy ain't been dropping the bag and spinning, reselling the sneakers that I missed out on. So it's a bunch of sneakers that you guys are about to see on these next upcoming videos that are all pretty much released in March. And of course, we got some stuff released in April. Early looks just for you guys. So you guys already know, man, when you hear grill sneakers, when you hear that OG sneaker, you always want to copy, you always want to add to the collection. And this is one of them sneakers, man. This is one of them sneakers. I'm gonna go ahead and grab it real quick. I didn't know how well this sneaker's gonna do as far as the hype behind it. I didn't know how crazy people's gonna go about it. But surprisingly, your boy hit at my local Foot Locker with these. Straight W. I didn't get waitlisted or anything. And I was a little bit confused. I'm like, yo, how did I do that? I thought an OG sneaker like these would definitely, sell out everywhere. That was gonna be a huge problem. That was gonna be one of those sneakers that, people always talking about based on the release date, man. So here you have it. You guys see, we have an Air Jordan 12. These are the Air Jordan 12 Retro, black, varsity red, and white. And I got these joints in the size 9. You guys already know how we rocking with the 12s. And these right here, man, I haven't seen them yet. Your boy haven't seen them yet. Actually, I had babe pick these up for me. And let's go ahead and get into it, man. I love me some OG 12s. And yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have the Air Jordan 12 playoffs, man. Air Jordan 12 playoff things. And you guys should already know the history. Some of the iconic shots Jordan hit with these sneakers right here in my hand. So I had to pull both of them out of the box right here. And like I said, when you hear OG colorways, especially Air Jordan 12s, you think of the playoffs, you think of the Air Jordan 12 flu games, the cherries, and other sneakers like that. And when I heard that they was bringing these joints back out, I said, yo, it's only right for me to cop. I didn't care if I took an L, I didn't care if I had to pay resale, it didn't matter. Your boy's gonna add these in the collection. And something I've been doing recently on the channel is dropping, like, Air Jordan silhouette collections like the Air Jordan 3s I've done, Air Jordan 4s, Air Jordan 1s, and stuff like that. So I'm thinking about dropping some gems and show you guys what's in my Air Jordan 12 collection. I think that'll be a dope one. Seeing what your boy got, because I got some sleepers, and of course got some OG colorways like these right here. Hey, before we get any further in this video, man, please let me know down below in the comment section if you secured a pair of these playoff 12s. Basic colorways. It'd be the basic colorways, but it'd be the ones that Jordan actually did wear that make people more inclined to cop a sneaker, especially the OGs. I know it's probably somebody that was born in the 80s, 90s that got maybe all 4 of the releases. I think these released 3 or 4 times. And I know somebody out there that didn't double up every time it didn't drop just because of the significance of the sneaker, what, how iconic it is, what Jordan did in them. And it's only right, man. It's only right, cop these things, add them into the collection. Like I said, these joints is pretty simple. You got your red Jumpman on the tongue right here, as you guys can see. Got some silver, I think it's like goldish. Maybe got some like worn down goldish eyelets right here on the side of the sneaker. All on the uppers, that nice black leather, man, you guys can see. And then on the back of these playoffs, you got Jordan inspired by the greatest player ever. You see that 2-3 down there. You see that red Jumpman tab. And there's not really much to say about sneakers like this because, like I said, they have been releasing so many times in the past. I wish I had an older pair so I can do a comparison. I don't. But like I said, I did see some comparison pictures on IG, and they all look damn near the same. I didn't think they changed anything with this one right here. On the bottom, you guys see it. Something's gonna get really dirty as the outsole. You got a black carbon fiber plate down there. And to top it all off, man, you got your Jumpman right here on the side of the sneaker. You guys already know how the 12s come that mud guard, man. You had like a significant color going over the sneaker, man. You got the white going all around the side of the sneaker and on the inner, these guys right here. I thought the resale was gonna go super crazy on these playoff 12s. It didn't. Right now they're sitting around $220, $230 right now on StockX and Gold. It's kind of to be expected. We get OG colorways like the playoff 12s, playoff 11s, you know what I'm saying? Any OG colorway, there's gonna be a lot of pairs released, which of course drive the resale down. But there have been sneakers in the past that we got where there's a bunch of pairs and the resale is so crazy, like the bread ones that released back in 2016. I appreciate everybody for tuning in to the channel. Make sure you guys subscribe right now, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the content we got jumping for you guys. Got a bunch of unboxings to do. I'm telling y'all, you do not want to miss it. We got some stuff to talk about with some of the sneakers your boy been copping all of March. And before I let you guys go, man, make sure you go head over to UNKWN Collections IG, give your boy a follow over there. We got 2 new shirts that just dropped, man. We got the Unknown Future in the white. It's a drop tee, and we got the Unknown Future in the black, man. Make sure you guys go tap in, copy your shirt while supplies last. Appreciate everybody's been copping on the clothing brand of collection. It really means so much to me, man. Hey, I haven't threw a sneaker on in literally a month, so I gotta hit you guys on feed over the Air Jordan 12 playoffs. Stay tuned. Like I said, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Head over to the IG at The Real to Vintage and the clothing brand on collections. I appreciate you guys so much. I miss y'all. Content about to be right back rolling. Let's get right into this on feed over the Air Jordan 12 playoffs, man. Let's get it.